Hi, my name is Prince and I'm a food producer here at Cook. So today we're celebrating Onam, the harvest festival of Kerala. There are 4 days of Onam and today is Onam, the second and most important day of Onam. So the most significant part of today is the Onam Sadhya, which is an elaborate vegetarian feast that is served in a banana leaf and eaten using our hands. There's a saying in Kerala that goes, Kanam vittum Onam unnanam. This means that everyone should eat the Onam Sadhya even if they have to give us some of their possessions. So this shows how important the Sadhya is to all Malayalis. Have you ever looked at Onam Sadhya and been intimidated by the amount of dishes being served on the banana leaf? Don't worry. Today we're going to show you each of those dishes and explain them to you in detail. The Sadhya is traditionally served on the banana leaf and eaten using our hands. The tip of the banana leaf is used and this side faces the left of the person that is eating. Water is sprinkled on the banana leaf and wiped clean using our hands. The first dishes to be served are the banana chips and sharkara variety. Banana chips is made from raw Nendran banana that is fried in coconut oil. Sharkara variety is thick cut banana chips that are coated in jaggery. Next, the banana, salt and papadam are served. Here we have mango pickle, lemon pickle and puli inji. The more acidic elements of the sadhya are served to the left of the leaf. Next up is the cabbage thoran, a simple cabbage stir fry with coconut. Olan is a dish of black-eyed peas and white pumpkin. There are usually 2 or 3 masala dishes that are served in the sadhya. One of those is the kootagari. Next up is erisheri, which is black-eyed peas cooked with pumpkin. In some parts of Kerala, ellugari is also served. Next up is aviyal, the star of the sadhya, in which a variety of vegetables are simmered in a coconut and yogurt based gravy. We also have a pachadi that is made with beetroot and curd. Kurukkugalan is one of the most sweeter dishes that are served with rice. This is made from ripened bananas cooked with coconut. The rice that is served in the sadhya is usually red rice, also known as matta. Along with the rice, the first course that is eaten is the katti paripu and ghee. Katti paripu is moong dal cooked with coconut milk. The next course to be eaten with rice is a sambar, and then the rasam is served. The drinks that are served with the sadhya are water and buttermilk. The buttermilk can either be drunk or eaten with a little rice and pickle at the end of the sadhya to balance out the sweetness from the payasam. And finally, to end things on a sweet note, we have the 2 desserts, Paripu Pradaman and Palada Payasam. Paripu Pradaman is moong dal that is cooked with jaggery and coconut. Palada Payasam is a creamy milk-based payasam that is cooked with rice flakes known as palada. At the end of this sumptuous meal, the banana leaf is folded towards us to signify that we are satisfied with the meal. Hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Onam Sadhya. If you want to learn how to prepare this delicious Sadhya, do check out all the recipes on our channel Cook. Here's to wishing you all a joyful Onam, or as we would say in Malayalam, Onashamsakal.